Welcome to Global School of Business Management. We are an affiliated learning center of the Swiss School of Management. The Swiss School of Management is an accredited private institute of higher education with a global outreach. Global School of Business Management offers one-year international accredited hybrid MBA program with 12 specialization courses focused on the real-world practice. Our specialization courses are designed to fully prepare our students to lead today's competitive market. Our degree is granted to students who achieve 60 European credit transfer system. For the first time ever, we are introducing the very unique concept of hybrid learning. GSBM's hybrid learning combines with the partial online courses and offline sessions where students learn through their practical experience. Our students will get to meet and learn from the experiences of people from various corners of the world and work on the unique project to set impact in the community. Besides online classes, our students need to travel to 2 different countries and visit the renowned institutes during their MBA. Some of the exceptional students will get to practically learn and sharpen the theoretical skills through short-term internships, whereas some of the students will get opportunities to pitch their business ideas in front of investors and raise funding. Students at Global School of Business Management will get to be part of Global Entrepreneurship Bootcamp, which is a 4-day educational leadership program designed for the young innovative minds. Till 6th bootcamp, there are 900 plus GEB alumni from 80 plus different countries. Now, if you are wondering why you cannot miss to be part of GSBM family, let me share more. GSBM provides European accredited and quality certified degree at a very affordable cost. Besides experiencing unique blended learning program and international tour, you will also get to experience best teamwork and mentorship session, seed funding opportunities, internship placement, and many more. Is not that interesting? The courses offered at Global School of Business Management are globally recognized. Our affiliated institute is accredited by Council of Higher Education Accreditation and International Accreditation Council for Business Education. Also, our faculty includes mentors from renowned institutes around the world including Harvard University, MIT, University of Cambridge, Nobel Prize winners, and many more. Besides unique experience and global exposure, we believe in overall growth of our students, and therefore we have introduced several councils and activities including action learning programs, business management councils, international immersion programs, GSBMX, etc. You might be wondering about the eligibility criteria and admission procedure. To be eligible, you must hold a bachelor's degree or relevant undergraduate degree or professional experience depending on the choice of your course. Also, you must have a sound command of written and spoken English language. You can find more details about the admission procedure and documents required on our website. We also offer some financial aids and scholarships to potential candidates. So without any delay, apply now and take your unique step to the modern education system. For more details, visit our website globalspm.org and you can get connected to us through our social media handles. Thank you for watching.